Hey guys, Gerald for Oneupreviewz, and today we've got a slide review and unboxing for you. We've got the CROCS MELLOW slides. Before we get to this review, guys, if you're new to our channel, remember to hit that subscribe button, hit that notifications bell so you never miss any of our latest reviews. Slap that thumbs up, helps us greatly. Drop some love in the comment section below. We try our best to reply to every single comment that's thrown our way. I just want to take the time and opportunity to thank subscribers new and old. Without you guys, we can't do this. Thank you. And let's go. So not much of an unboxing because you can kind of see it through the box because it's in this plastic bag. But we've got the Mellow slides from CROCS in a UK size 6. It's a European 39, it's a 40, and it's a US men's 7. So we got this in the varsity red colorway, as you can see. And the sole intention for these slides was that it's for your comfort. And you know, as a CROCS wearer myself, even Jeff, who's behind the camera, he swears by CROCS also. Even Chris as well, like we all three of us on Oneupreviewz, we love a pair of CROCS. These were intended for recovery, so after a workout you pop these on just to get your feet back to its like normal self, and it's just really comfortable. I can feel it already, guys. Gonna have to trust me that this footbed is lush, very comfortable. But before we get into all that nitty-gritty detail, we'll start with the outsole. So essentially, oh, that fell. Essentially, this slide is a foam unit. It's just like an EVA all around, and you've got this wavy design, traction patterning with the CROCS logo, and you've got your sizing there for you. Then you look at the upper. So again, it's essentially one unit of this foam. You know, you've got your paneling there to there, and you just slide your feet in, as the name suggests. This is a recovery slide. And if you look at the footbed itself, so this is like the mellow part of the slide. It's more so bouncy. It's very soft and comfortable. You can feel it there. You've got these like orthopedic little beads that are rising and with the CROCS logo, and it's very lightweight, very lightweight. On the CROCS website, it suggests that you're half a size down. I'm gonna, not half a size down, a full size down. So I'm gonna put that to the test because typically when it comes to CROCS, especially like the Slade Bembury ones, I wear a size 7. My white CROCS is a size 8, but if I'm gonna go by that, I should have got a 7. We'll find out when I slide these on. There's a big market for these kinds of slides because obviously a certain rapper who used to design for Addy doesn't do that anymore, and he was kind of had a cusp. He had like this marketplace of slides that are similar to this. If you don't know who I'm talking about, you do know what I'm talking about, but if you don't, it's Kanye West, because the Yeezy slides kind of look like these, or these look like the Yeezy slides. Whatever argument you want to put forward, that's your argument. But yeah, as I mentioned before, there's like a marketplace for this kind of fashion. But if you're not going to wear your slides, you know, just to recover, we're out of comfort, and that's what most people do anyway. And let's hope that these are really comfortable, as the name suggests. When it comes to the sizing, guys, I get why they say go a size down to what you typically wear for CROCS. However, we did that, and yeah, my back heel is coming out a bit, but it does fit. Or maybe I should have worn what I typically wear for CROCS, which is a size 7, which was the Slade Bembury collabs that I've got. I think I should have got that. We'll see how it is if I do update you with a review. But these are very comfortable. Totally understand why they're called the recovery slides. I mean, I understand if you're after a hard workout, pop these on and we'll be feeling bliss. Thanks guys for watching. Remember to like, comment and subscribe. Follow us at Oneupreviewz on Instagram and on TikTok. Till next time, peace.